My name is Eric. I am 22 years old. People tell me I look divorced. I look this way since I was 16. It's hard to lose your virginity when you look like you're about to lose custody. It's the best compliment I've ever gotten. I had a woman tell me, you look like a mix between David Beckham and Ed Sheeran. And that's my demographic, because what that means is you look like a mix between a guy who looks great and a guy who looks okay. You look like a person. I don't know. I had a difficult childhood in weird ways, you know. Like, for example, my mom's an alcoholic, but she's like the worst kind of alcoholic, because she's not the get super drunk and beat you kind of alcoholic. She's the get super drunk and be rude to waiters kind of alcoholic. I'd just rather be assaulted, honestly. She would do this thing where she'd get super drunk and then argue with us by repeating what we were saying back to us in a stupid voice. She'd be like, blah, 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 blah. You'd be like, go to your room. I don't want to go to my room. You ever argue with someone like that? You ever argue with a child before? That's crazy enough on its own, okay? But you haven't even heard the craziest part, which is that she's a lawyer. So arguing is her whole, she just sits in the courtroom, objection, Your Honor. Overruled. The prosecution makes the defense sound like a stupid doo-doo head. Oh my God, what the? See, my mom's a lawyer and my dad is a racist. He's, it's a very common job these days, actually, okay? You guys got racist family members, right? It's like what, like an uncle or grandpa or something? First of all, you notice with racist family members, it's always someone older, usually a man. You ever notice that? No one's ever like, yeah, I got a real racist niece. She's going through this phase right now. Loves Billie Eilish, hates the Japanese. It's never. My dad does impressions of black people. Love that. Love that. And as racist and uncomfortable as that is on its own, to me, the worst part is he thinks he's really good at them. But it doesn't matter who he's doing. It always sounds like a shitty Kevin Hart. He's just like, hey, man, I'm trying to sign this bill, motherfucker. Bow. And that's his Obama impression. So if that made you uncomfortable, you are not going to like his Rosa Parks, okay? You're not going to like it. God, what's in the news? Kanye had an album come out. You guys see that? Kanye had an album come out. I'm a big Kanye fan personally. Not his music, just his politics. Just the way he is as a man, you know. He went on Alex Jones 2 years ago now and said he loved Hitler, which produced my favorite clip in American history. Is the next day Alex Jones went on air and defended Kanye, and the way he did it is he said, listen, I talked to Kanye over the phone. I talked to him in person. The guy's not a Nazi. The dude is just autistic. What? I didn't know you could just say you loved Hitler if you were on the spectrum. I didn't know that you could. If only the Nazis knew that when we put them on trial, you know? They step up to the stand. You stand on trial for killing millions of people. How do you plead? Your Honor, we have Asperger's. We don't do well in social settings. We don't. But you send millions of people in subway cars to their death. Yeah, we were just following orders. Also, we really like trains. It's our special interest. Alex Jones, that guy's fucking crazy. Listen, man. I get why people vote for Republicans. They're fucking crazy. That's why people vote for them. That's entertaining to watch. Democrats, I love them. They're not very entertaining to watch. Okay. Every single Democratic politician is just a guy who pauses, squints, and makes this noise. Oh. It's not exactly charisma personified, you know? Like, that's every single one. Bill Clinton's like that, you know? Like, I did not have sexual relations. Obama's like that. Hey, man, I'm trying to sign this bill, motherfucker. All right, thank you all very much.